Look at her. She's such a sweet lady.
This is the cheapest wine ever.
She seems so kind and good-hearted.
Look at these people. Average age, 70 years old.
1 minute we're alive and then the next, nothing. It's like the light just disappears.
What are you doing?
It's just...
You never met the woman.
How can you be so cold? She was your aunt.
2 times I met her in my life. I don't even remember her first name. Jesus. Oh. Shara, get it together. People are looking.
She's up there watching you be so cold to her. How do you think she feels?
I think you've had enough of this cheap wine. Oh, stop it. Stop it.
Sorry. I just...
I know.
She was such a sweet lady.
I know. She will be missed.